for inside. One, First Lady of Imo State visitor. Two, they never see. Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. I bring this new update for now about baby miracle when father, hit her for hand, I be tie. If you want to know the video is there, maybe I feel like I could see what I feel do because I never they do that one. For say science. Baby miracle, the new update of that baby when a father beat and they can't amputate in hand. 2 months old baby. I bring the update come for now. Their governor wife, governor wife, that is Imo State, the governor wife. He don't go visit them for hospital. Waiting reconstitute me for liver echo meme. They say the papa, governor wife say they will go find papa, maybe they arrest and they look for a papa. Hi, my country people. Me I think say that man dey kri. I be he don't face the law. He still there around the he scatter my dada. My people. Oh, my people. Who do us like this? 2 months old baby. For me, I know say the papa is quite spoil. Some nuts, he don't whine out. But at least that nut, they're supposed to replace them for her now. Person when fit do this kind of thing for 2 months old baby. 2 months old baby. 2 months old baby. And now his son say because the pikin they cry. He said because the pikin, I will put the news, me una read them. He said because of say the pikin they cry, they disturb him. Now he use anger. Say in fact, say he leads to cut the pikin. They need to cut the hand so that make the things not enter body. Now they take cut the baby hand. If this baby grow tomorrow now, it can't grow as a grown man. Because they'll say, now your dad cut your hand. And your dad even still dey street. They enjoy, they go. The government not will do anything. Wait till they happen for our country. I don't understand though. Papa, if na Europe, it don't decide cricket, it don't decide jail. It don't, in fact, mostly France. This is my France country. They go Sunday, in fact. Every Sunday, they know they see weekend for their court too. Every day. In fact, every day na court. They say, now that one pay me. They say they never still hold this man. They say still they strict. May I read? Someone will feel read for now. Then una sabi read. Una read una own. I will put everything for now. New photo of baby miracle whose hand was amputated after his father allegedly assaulted by his Problem not too much. New photo of baby miracle whose hand was amputated after he was allegedly assaulted by his father. Okay, shared the news before. Okay, how a papa confident Ama Toby allegedly used a hanger when he used hanger to hit his 2 months old baby on his hand because he was crying and disturbed his sleep. Okay, because they disturb his sleep and you know say you get new baby. Just because of say they disturb your sleep now. Wow, this life. Little miracle, that is the baby name, might be miracle. Sustained serious injury on the hand. He was rushed to the Federal Medical Center, Owerri, where the doctor had no option but to remove his hand. His hand because it was already the roti, that is, something don't enter. On Thursday, November 3, the First Lady of the state, Shama Uzodima, visit Miracle and his mom at the hospital. God bless you. They say that the real updates make me bring this news. First Lady of Imo State, Shama, he don't visit Miracle. Yes, so I pray as you visit her, may roads, in fact, make good things come. Now wait till I pray. I'm so happy when I see First Lady of Imo State visit Miracle. That is the new update when I receive me, I break off for now. That two, now I receive for inside. One, First Lady of Imo State visit her. Two, they never see that man. They never see arrest. As me and you are the talking now. Do it with the news. They never see Papa hang son. May they put am for where e belong. E still dey paraborate to paraborate. They say e don visit am with im mommy for hospital. She stated that the police has issued a warrant of that is police. They never see arrest am. They say that now police, they say they don't send. Hey, my people. No be me talk am, I'll put the news. Una want sabi read. Maybe as I dey read that now, they break am for broken. Una no understand that. If you can't read your own, you go understand that. Of arresting for Amatobi so he can face the full. He never still face. My country. This man never still face. I beg of the law. Which law? See more photo of baby miracle below. See, I will put all the photo when the first lady Shoma they visit our miracle baby. You are real miracle. If not be saying now God send you to this pikin fine. See pikin. See mama. He don't sit down and they look first lady face. Now miss them with my first lady. So opportunity to meet first lady. This mama is supposed to still face law. If na Europe, if na Europe, you go face the law. Yes. Me una quote me una carry me una drag me. If na Europe, this is mama when they look first lady face big. Like say na something. You go face the law. Yes. She go face the law. Because the kind man when you marry, I don't understand when you say you born for. As far as say you don't be woman, you don't feel push pikin, you don't they do. You don't push pikin, you be mother. You're supposed to do what mother they do. Because you know say you don't in fact, you don't strong before that pikin fit form. Then you go still strong to be a mother. You say na ma, they threaten you. They threaten you. You never hear am from my parents, but I say, pikin when they back, you know they fear night. Mothers, they back their children. They back their pikin. Na so mother be. Anything at all that they stand kitigba. They go say, na my pikin. And na true. They know they look who she fix. Thank you, my people. I just say I bring this new update for now as a baby miracle when the father use anger to remove his hand. Yes, me they call and say, na papa remove his hand. No be daughter. Na papa, because if papa no beat her, affect his hand, daughter for not remove her. Na papa remove her. First lady for Imo State don't visit there. And they say they look for the father. May they arrest us. Me and you they talk now. The man sit there outside. Don't be me talk now. The news talk and go live una. I think that they read the news. They follow me because they put the news. Yes, I beg if you find this my beautiful channel interesting, support me by subscribe, turn the bell on, join this beautiful family. All my returning subscribers, God will bless you. Thank you all who join me from the crash when we take it 1K. God will bless every one of you. Una daughter, una sister, loyal. I say everything I go to break come for this YouTube channel. Anything my hand touch, I'll grab it like this. I'll carry, I can't give my people, my woge people, my beautiful people, my suburb, my sabi, my sabi, I'll see you in my next video. Okay. All my returning, God will bless you now. Yes, I can't be happy because the governor, first lady don't visit the baby miracle. I pray and I hope say no because of say election they come. Hey, those are our politicians. I sabi there. Hey, politics Naija. If you not get there, forget there. If you not know them, forget them. Tell them say na Naija daughter talk. Everything na politics. Everything na they take the campaign. No be me talk am.